how do you import coordinates fast in your AutoCAD? What's the easiest way you can import it? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how the easiest way you can import coordinate point, like this one at is here. You can see how I arrange it in this format, this thing and the nothing, with comma dividing them. So now this is the easiest way you can import this coordinate. You can import it to your card without using point by point. It is just with only notepad and your AutoCAD. So let's go into it. Now after I've already arranged my coordinate in this format, you can see it. Now what next? I'll copy it. Okay, I'll Ctrl A, copy. Now this is the AutoCAD. Now what will I do here is I need to change the unit so there will not be error in positioning. So okay, I will change this to not. Okay, this to degree milliseconds and the precision is good. Okay, now I will change this to meter. Okay, now after done with this, I'll press OK. Okay, now is to import the coordinates. To import this coordinate, we want to import this coordinate without putting it bit by bit. So let's go into it. Now I'll just use this polyline because I want this coordinate. As I'm putting it, you also draw the boundary without me doing it bit by bit. So after I just click this polyline, so under this command I'll paste all those coordinates. It will automatically draw the line without me even doing anything. So now after I've clicked it, you can see it's loading. Okay, now after I already used the polyline command, now I'll use the Z for zoom and E for extend. Now you can now you can see the line. This is it now. So I need to close it. Now this is how it's closed here. So you can see how fast it is. You can see I've already plotted all this without even using bit by bit. So I think this is the fastest way you can import a coordinate into AutoCAD without using any other software combined or plugins, those things. So this is the easiest way I think you can import a coordinate to check your area of land or something like that. So now let's check the area. It's already polyline, so this is the total area of this land without using it bit by bit. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.